We can easily pick apart the substances and make separate piles.
So heterogeneous mixtures you can see the parts of. I see.
Now, just so you know, a mixture doesn't have to be just a solid. It can be a liquid or a gas, too. This lemonade is a mixture known as a solution. A solution's parts are blended evenly.
Is that the kind of mixture where you can't see the parts?
Yeah, a solution like lemonade is homogeneous. You can't see the sugar, lemon juice, and water that have been mixed together to make it.
Are solutions always liquids?
Nope, a solution can be a solid, liquid, or gas. It just has to have a solute and a solvent. The solute is the substance that is dissolved in the solvent. In a lemonade, sugar is the solute because it is dissolved in the solvent, water.
Well, I'm glad this solution is a liquid. It sure is the solution to my thirst.
Okay. Well, come on, make the birthday girl proud. Show me what you got.
A mixture, like this snack mix, is a physical combination of two or more substances. The substances in a mixture don't change when they're mixed, and they can be separated. We can see the different parts of the snack mix, so it's a heterogeneous mixture. A mixture isn't always a solid. It can be a gas or a liquid, like the lemonade. The lemonade is a solution, and solutions are homogeneous. You can't see their parts. Ta-da! How was that, birthday girl?
Happy birthday to me.
That's right. Now, let's get this party started.
Okay. Well, I just wanted you to watch that video so that you can get that mixtures are two or more substances that are physically combined together and they retain their properties, which means, like, in these mixtures that I'm going to pass out to you, these are heterogeneous mixtures because you can see that they have different substances. Well, they're just Cheerios and rice. The fact that you can still see the Cheerios and the rice, that means it's a heterogeneous mixture. So just pass that around your table and let everyone look at it. Okay, once everyone is finished looking at it, I want you all to think about how you can separate those. Like, how can we figure out how many Cheerios or how the percentage of Cheerios in that mixture? Like, how could you figure out the percentage of Cheerios? Yes.
A filter.
Filter. So
No, filter.
filter. Okay, so you could filter it out. So what do you mean by that?
Well, like, we could have a cheese grater, and all the rice could fall through, and then we could count the Cheerios.
Good. Anyone else have anything different?
You could pick it out with your hands, like the
Pick
cheese,
it out
and
with
then
your hands.
the rice stays in the bag.
Okay. Does anyone else have any other?
Dump it out.
Excuse me?
Dump it out, and then separate it.
Dump it out and separate it. Okay. Well, since we don't have a cheese grater, we can either pick it out or you can dump it out and separate it. But we're going to try to figure out first the percentage of Cheerios that's in that mixture. So this is just, I'm going to do this one with you together, and then we're going to break into groups, and you will do a different one with a partner. So one person can have a volunteer from one table, each table. You. And I want you to just separate the Cheerios and put them into another bag, which I should give you.
It's solar powered. I'll turn the lights on in a minute.
Okay, I can't find the other bag. So just take out the Cheerios and turn it on your little your scales, and you can weigh those Cheerios.
He's getting a lot of one. I know.
has anyone dumped out the bag yet?
No, 'cause
Okay,
that's-
is everyone taking it? Okay, the first thing you're actually supposed to do is weigh the whole bag. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So first, if you have taken it out, could you put it back in there, please? I'm sorry. And we're going to figure out the total weight
50 grams. That's mine. Wait.
of the mixture of Cheerios and rice.
Ours is 50. Where's the other one? Right there. No, I need one.
51.
51.
Ours isn't showing
No,
up.
52.
Ours is insane.
51.
You're right. Yeah, I think it's gonna get 51.
Quit breathing.
Can't breathe.
Okay, what did this group over here
Do you
do?
have an air pressure measurement or
Now it's at 52. Wait, put your hands on 6.
Okay, this group got 51.
We got 52.
Now it's 52.
52.
It was 51 for a while.
Okay, we're going to go with 52. If you did not get on your little scale, if
Abby,
you want
you have to
your
take the
group
cover
can come
off.
up here and use this one.
That black thing.
Our scale.
It's a cover. The top.
That's around yours.
There you go.
You are smart.
Okay, weigh it.
1 gram.
Make sure the entire bag's on it, Abby.
Let's
Well, like wrap it.
About seconds. Here, you can use this one.
It was.
Well, we can say we'll just use this one. You're pushing.
How did it? Since when did you get here?
Shush, are your scars? Cover off. They were just saying, none of us caught that.
Okay, now you can weigh it.
53. Skinner, we separate.
So everyone is got either 52 or 53. Now you can start to take your Cheerios out too.
You guys separate this one?
Yes. Yes.
Mom, don't breathe on me.
The leftover everything.
They should have a note on there, like, take the cover off. You know?
Well,
there are directions.
I need my space with my Cheerios. Nobody breathes right. I try to figure out everything out.
I can't see it. If it doesn't work, you can't You don't even need it.
Oh, You're doing it one by one. Another step one.
Where the rest?
Ever. Put the Cheerios. I didn't get any rice on it.
It's taking forever. It's been like 30 seconds.
You have to do that. No, it's 44 degrees.
Does anyone have all their Cheerios weighed?
Yeah, I do. Oh,
don't.
you
No, we have the rice.
You lost one. Send your Chromebook.
We're done. Watch out.
You're done. How much does your Cheerios?
Oh,
11 grams.
Grams, yeah.
Does anyone have anything that's a lot different than 11 grams?
Wait, 11
Grams.
44.
Let's turn the unit.
44. Are you weighing the Cheerios or the?
We need to use the digital scale. Our measure, our lights.
I think it's the battery. The battery's fine.
Okay, you should have around.
Quit messing with it.
I think the battery's low on this. Keep it low. Around
Work
what?
with this.
11 grams.
We're good, guys. Good session.
It keeps turning off.
milliliters.
It's on.
We have
Take the cap off. Cover off.
So we
The black
now
thing
that
on top.
We know how much the Cheerios weigh. We still don't know what percentage it has in the total weight of the mixture. So when we calculate that, that is going to be called the percent composition of the mixture. So what we're going to do is,
You don't have a bag.
It will. We'll have to like stack it.
Thanks so much for picking a volunteer. Jeez.
okay, everyone look up here. We're going to see the Cheerios. We're going to calculate how the percentage of Cheerios in the mixture of Cheerios and rice. Since Cheerios was 11 grams, we're going to put that on the top. We're going to divide it by the total mixture of Cheerios and rice. Can someone tell me what 11 divided by 52?
I got it.
Get it on here. 21 grams.
It means
It's like it said that means 21.
21. Okay, whenever you get the answer to that, multiply it by 100 so that we can get the percentage.
21. 21.
So 11 divided by 52 is 0.21. Just do that.
Oh no, 2.100.
okay. This calculator is too late advanced.
It's 21.125.
Okay, so you should get 0.21 grams when you just do it first. Then we're going to multiply that by 100. And that's what we're going to get 21%. So Cheerios makes up 21% of that mixture. So now, can everyone pick a partner responsibly?
Yes.
If you are sharing a calculator, then that can be your partner.
No, I wasn't sharing a calculator. It's so fun to like feel the rice.
Raise your hand if you do not have a partner.
I think,
Okay, you two can be together.
I mean, honest.
Oh, we have Okay, I'm going to pass out another mixture. You just look at it. Don't put it out and try to weigh it just yet.
Like, that's Jordan.
Macaroni.
Okay, does everyone have a mixture of macaroni and beans? Okay. So now we're going to do the same steps, but this time we're going to measure both of them so that we can actually check to see if we get the correct answer. So, do you want to start with the rice, or excuse me, the beans or the macaroni? Do you want to weigh the macaroni first, or take the macaroni out and weigh the beans?
Wait, the macaroni.